Welcome to 5 Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about an update on the Disneyland Magic Key lawsuit moving forward. Not already follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Caliban. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fired up. I'm the main host of Mondo. Let's do this. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about an update that has been provided by Orange County Register. Judge allows Disneyland Passholder lawsuit to move forward. So we're going to get some details of what that's all about here in this article. One thing I'm wondering myself, it's kind of related to this, but not really. What's up with renewals? There's no conversation about anything of renewals for Magic Keys. They're set to renew in August. I'm curious how that's going to play out. No information up to this point. I asked the Disneyland app if they had any insight on it. And they just told me to keep checking the website, the app, and emails if there's any update provided for renewals. If that even happens, I don't know. We'll have more conversation on that on Speculation Sunday. All right. In this article, it was written on the 13th by the Orange County Register. So big thank you to them. I'll put a link in the description of this video if you guys would like to go ahead and read it for yourselves as well. A federal judge has allowed a Disneyland Passholder lawsuit to move forward that claims the Anaheim theme park misled and deceived its most loyal fans by artificially limiting capacity and restriction reservations, according to the court documents. The complaint filed by Disneyland Magic Key annual pass holder Janelle Nielsen of Santa Clara County has been working its way through the court process since November 2021. And I can remember back then when all this was kind of starting in November, it really did seem like Magic Key reservations opened up a lot more than it was previous to that time. So I'm curious if it's had any effect on reservations themselves. Disney sought to have the case dismissed in early March, and in Central District of California, a judge issued a ruling in early April dismissing 4 of Nielsen's 6 allegations in the suit, but allowing the other 2 to move forward. Wow, I didn't know there was 6. Disney lawyers answered the complaint in late April, and Nielsen's attorney filed an amended complaint on May 10th. Disney denies each and every allegation and assertion in the complaint, according to the company's response to the court filing. Disneyland has been clear about the terms of Magic Key product and continues to vigorously defend its position as the case proceeds, according to Disneyland officials. The lawsuit alleges that Nielsen purchased a $1,400 Disneyland Dream Key annual pass with no blockout dates in September 2021, but was unable to make theme park reservations for certain dates in November 2021. Nielsen's attorneys are seeking to have the case certified as a class action by the U.S. District Court, a step that has not yet happened. The $5 million suit filed against Walt Disney Parks and Resorts on behalf of all Magic Key annual pass holders alleges Disney relegated them to second-class ticket holders by artificially limiting Magic Key reservations and the number of pass holders that could visit on any given day. I always thought it was a tricky path too when we found out how the Magic Key program was going to essentially work, and reservations is a must, but the highest key has no blockout dates. But if you can't make a reservation, where does that fall in? So you cannot go that day even though you're not blocked out. That was always tricky. I always thought that was a tricky conversation, Disneyland has been clear about the terms. Oh, we already read that. United States District Court Judge David Carter denied Disney's motion to dismiss the Magic Key annual pass holder case as it relates to breach of contract and the California Consumer Protection Act. Carter granted Disney's dismissal motions relating to claims of false advertisement, negligent misrepresentation, legal disclosure, and unfair competition. The court finds that plaintiff has adequately pled facts supporting how a reasonable consumer may be deceived by advertisement, which states no blockout dates. The whole no blockout date, but no reservations. Really gray area right there. Carter wrote in his ruling, plaintiff argues that ordinary consumers generally understand blockout dates to be dates when tickets, credits, passes, or rewards cannot be used. The California Consumer Protection portion of the case will likely hinge upon whether Disneyland Dream Key annual pass constitutes a good or service, as Nielsen lawyer contend, or a temporary license, as Disney contends. Another key contention, the meaning of blockout dates and what the definition includes and excludes for pass holders and Disneyland. Well, for me, blockout dates, just as a regular guest to Disneyland, it means I can't go that day. There's just my pass I can't go that day. But I always thought it was really weird. I remember the day all this came out, I had to go back to it. Wait, so you don't have blockout dates, but if you can't get a reservation, you can't go. So is that a blockout date? I don't know. Plaintiff alleges that the term no blockout dates is not defined in the advertisement, but that she understood the term to mean that the Dream Key pass holder would not be blocked out from making theme park reservations whenever Disney was offering park reservations for entrance to the theme parks. Okay, I see what's going on here. According to the complaint, she also understood the advertisement statement that park reservations are subject to availability and are not guaranteed for any specific dates or park, to mean that if park reservations were available and being offered to the public, Dream Key holders could use their pass to make a reservation for entry to the parks. In answering the complaint, Disney admits the phrase blockout date is not defined, but denies the phrase no blockout dates can be reasonably understood to mean Dream Key pass holders can make reservations whenever Disneyland or Disney California Adventure offer theme park reservations. So I see where the argument is here, or where this is going. The whole blockout date, man. In addition, Disney admits it promised there would be no blockout dates for Dream Key pass holders, but denies Disneyland blocked out dates to Dream Key pass holders. Talk about confusion right there. Disney has taken the position that Disneyland has the power to artificially limit theme park reservations and decide when to make Dream Key pass holder reservations available or unavailable, according to the response from Nielsen's attorneys. And that's the thing. I was always really curious to see how Disneyland was going to juggle the amount of reservations available, the pools for all the keys, and then the fact that all the keys have the same pool. So even though you have the Dream Key and then the lowest key, they could all get the same reservations. There's no priority to the higher key at all. It's just anybody could get that reservation pool. And then how many tickets are issued compared to the amount of reservations. And recently, Disneyland had that 3-day pass that was a really good deal. That has ended. And I know a lot of annual pass or Magic Key passes are going to be blocked out soon. So we're going to see how the juggling effect now becomes with the passes that can make reservations and then the Disneyland tickets that are paying the full price for these summer times coming up. A lot of juggling. I don't know how they're managing with some algorithm, obviously. Disney appears to be limiting the number of reservations available to Dream Key pass holders on any given day in order to maximize the number of a single day and other passes that Disney can sell. According to the response of Nielsen's attorneys, this practice directly contradicts Disney's advertised promise that the Dream Key would not be subject to blockout dates. Magic Key annual passes went on sale in August 2021 after Disneyland ended its former 4-decade-old annual pass holder program during the extended Rona closures of Anaheim theme parks. Disney sold out of the top-priced Dream Key in October 2021 amid howls from angry pass holders due to the widespread lack of reservations available for the $1,400 pass with no blockout dates. The $950 Blvd Key sold out in November 2021. The $650 Enchant Key and the $400 Imagine Key remain available. Magic Key reservations were frequently unavailable with the new annual pass program first launched, while the daily ticket calendar often showed widespread availability. And that last two paragraphs, I remember those days. So we will keep a close eye. And big thank you for Orange County Register to keep us updated on what's going on with that, because I feel like this kind of has some implications of what's going to happen with renewal. Is there renewals? Is there going to be a change to these keys? Are they going to get more expensive? More perks? Less perks? I have no idea. I have a feeling Magic Key program is not going anywhere. As recently, we just got the Magic Key Terrace over there at Disney California Adventure. And it seems like Disneyland is doing a lot more Magic Key stuff as of late. And even brought some of the fun to Star Wars Night with one of these buttons. So it seems like the Magic Key program is something that they are interested in providing more value as time goes on. They're even doing like Magic Key magic shots, like with that include Photo Pass, like over there at Small World for Main Street Electrical Parade. So I don't think Magic Keys are going anywhere, but I'm curious to hear how the renewals and the process of all that's going to happen. I'm really excited. I really enjoyed the Magic Key program. It's allowed me to go to Disneyland and not have to pay the ticket admission, which we all know, we all went through that time period. It hurts. It's expensive. Disneyland is not cheap by any means. But thank you everybody for watching. Post in the comments, what is your thoughts on everything going on here? And post in the comments. I'm curious to hear what do you think about renewals and Magic Keys, as August is right around the corner. We're not too far from that. Thank you for watching Find Fires YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like button on the way out. And thank you for supporting the fire. We are firing it down. The Cali Bay is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mondo.